Last night we arrived at the Bayou Segnet State Park just outside of New Orleans, Louisiana. As seems to be the case with us, whenever we get into the New Orleans area, it is cold, but not nearly as cold as last year. Last year, if you remember, it was in the teens when we were in Alabama, and we never even made it to New Orleans because it was just too frigid. This year, it's about 40 degrees, still on the cold side, but the sun is shining, the sky is blue, and we're getting ready to explore this great city and let the good times roll. I'm Jeff. Kathy's inside getting the dogs ready for one last romp before we hit the road this morning. And this is Miles and Smiles.
A guy in the house and you all day.
Making one of the most important decisions of the day. I got the combo, which has crawfish etouffee and jambalaya. And Kathy, what did you get?
I got an omelet, a veggie omelet with crawfish tails.
What's your name?
Hannah.
Hannah, thanks so much for doing this for us tonight.
Thank y'all so much. I hope you have a safe trip back home.
So they were closing the place. They actually stayed open because, well, here's the reason. Because Kathy's really charming.
And I learned it from my mom.
She learned it from her mom, and they actually stayed open just to make the two ice creams for us. And so now we're giving it a try. Kathy, how's yours?
It's delicious. It's the vegan option, which is basically with a coconut-based ice cream instead of cow dairy.
And I got the Roulé roll, which is vanilla base. And then they put in cheesecake, actual pieces of cheesecake with graham cracker crust, the whole thing, and strawberries. And it's pretty awesome. Well, we're packing up to leave New Orleans, Louisiana and Bayou Segnet State Park. This has been a really great stop. I didn't really have very high expectations for New Orleans. I thought it was going to be just a party town. But what I've found here has been some great history. The World War II Museum is an absolute must-see for anybody who's interested in history, even just a little bit, and wants to understand a little bit more about the greatest generation. We're packing up. Kathy's getting the inside of the RV put together. I'll get the hoses unhooked. If you've enjoyed this video, please click subscribe. And if you want to get notices of upcoming videos as soon as they come out on YouTube, ring the little bell down on the bottom of the screen, and that will give you a notice when the new videos come out. Remember, life's a journey. Make every mile count.